And I had to adapt and embrace that. And I did. And it was fantastic. An example, in my first game, I think we drew. And I wasn't happy. And the media were delighted. And they were delighted because we'd had 70% possession of the ball.
Jamaican fans have unwavering faith in Coach Steve McClaren for World Cup 2026. Join Premier 7 right now for the big chat. Faith is to be believe what you do not see. The reward of this faith is to see what you believe. This is an amazing quote drawn from Saint Augustine as it speaks directly to the Jamaica men's national team, surrounding the importance of our coach in Coach Steve McClaren. The topic for today speaks directly to the Jamaican fans having faith in Coach Steve McClaren, seeing that World Cup 2026 is a few years from now. They believe that this man is the rightful man to lead the charge. And even though it is early days for the Jamaica men's national team, we have a lot of work to be done. Once there is faith and belief, then something can be done. I just want to say a big shout out to you, the fans, who are the motivation for this video, as I have done a poll surrounding the importance of World Cup 2026. This poll was done 2 days ago with the question: do you have the faith in Coach Steve McClaren in taking the Jamaica men's national team to the FIFA World Cup 2026? 186 votes. I appreciate such from you people. Majority of the vote says yes, with 95% and 5% saying no. People, the faith is there, the belief is there that this man, Coach Steve McClaren, has what it takes to lead the charge. But as your host, I have to say a big shout out to one of my regular supporters here on Premier 7. His name is Honey Blake 8274 for his amazing comment that says, believe the man, which means that we have to believe that Coach Steve McClaren is the man for the job. And people, if you believe, then I think I should at least take a page from your book and assess Coach Steve McClaren as well, of course, but have that faith of hope and belief that Coach Steve McClaren will be the man to help the team. Because if we have the faith, then achievement is something that we will have to see, and it will take place. Because when you believe, somehow you will, right? When you believe. So, of course, I just want to provide a little flashback in terms of a news feed that spoke something directly about Coach Steve McClaren that shows that he's adapting to Jamaica, he's adapting to the fans, he's adapting to our way of talking. And, in that case, it assists us in a proper way surrounding the importance of effective communication. There are times when the game is being played and you have to have somebody who can translate. But for Jamaica, yes, English is our main dialect, and of course the fans are impressed with Coach Steve McClaren's ability to talk as if he have the Jamaican background from a long time ago. So this was a note that was mentioned in the form of a news feed in Express news article that says Steve McClaren's Jamaica training video sends fans crazy as he delivers what they all want. It is a flashback scene that it was written in September 6, 2024. That is just a few weeks ago. That shows that this man, Coach Steve McClaren, is doing the work. He's putting in the work, and the Jamaican fan base are believing that he'll be the man. So Steve McClaren has taken charge of Jamaica, and the former England manager was quickly catching learning the local lingo thanks to his players. Of course, new Jamaican manager Steve McClaren is already making waves once again across the football community. The former England boss is writing an unexpected chapter in his distinguished career, having taken charge of the Reggae Boys, which is absolutely amazing. And right off the bat, his time in the tropics is shaping up to be an endless entertaining one. Endless entertaining one, which is brilliant. We need the positivity going forward. With the positivity, it can help us to believe more, even if we fall short sometimes because we drew against Cuba and we bounce back to defeat Honduras. We see good and bad. We see bad days before many bad days, and we see somewhat of good days. But this is a time when we have to believe and work on to believe in our coach and the players. I believe so far that they are working with him. So of course, it says there that after the Jamaican FA releases a video from McLaren's inaugural training session, leading the team, where he awkwardly mingles with his staff and offering a confused attempt to local slangs. You said something else this morning? No, something else. The bewildered ex Manchester United assistant coach could be seen saying to the players or colleagues, looking visibly perplexed. It was something. Well, I am seeing in the article where it says here that the group in question sought to solve McLaren's quandary, wondering whether it was their mention, big up, or fully active. Neither of those answers fit the bill, but it wasn't until the coach heard the phrase, seal it up, completed with a thumb flick, that McLaren approves. So, people, it is a good look that our coach is enjoying his time in the camp with the national team and he's making waves like an ocean, as what Alkaline would say, surrounding the connection that he currently have with his players. It should be an endless time of excitement here for the Jamaica men's national team, having a farm going forward. We have to win games, we have to, deliver, and we have to make our country proud. It doesn't make any sense as content creators. We're putting out all the works and we're not seeing the improvement surrounding the Jamaica men's national team, or let's say football on a whole. And in that sense, people, as you can see above, I have 1,589 subscribers. I would love to reach at least 2K before this month ends in September. And if not 2K, then I mean 1.7 would not be a bad achievement, seeing only a few more days to go in this month of September. For me, people personally, I believe that this guy, Coach Steve McClaren, has something to offer to the national team, seeing that he have a variety of experience at Netherlands, in England, for different clubs, different positions that he have received as head coach, as assistant coach. I mean, there is something about Coach Steve McClaren that the fans are excited about. We can see it in the poll. We can see it based on how he expresses himself about his job and his interest to develop Jamaica, not only at the senior men's national team level, but also at the grassroots coming up the ladder. So, people, what is your say on the topic? Jamaican fans have unwavering faith in Coach Steve McClaren for World Cup 2026. Some persons do answer that the faith is in him from their perspective. How about you? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Take care until we meet again. Bye bye for now.